Today we're installing the MBRP axleback exhaust with carbon fiber tips on my 2024 GR86. We'll get right into the install, then run clean stock versus modified sound references, including cold starts, drive-bys, and driver POVs, so you can decide for yourself if this is one of the best bang for your buck systems to wake up that sleepy stock exhaust for your GR86 or BRZ. Let's get into it. Up first, we have to remove the stock setup. To remove the factory muffler, start by loosening the two bolts connecting it to the mid-pipe. Now you can remove the exhaust hanger mounts from the rubber hangers. Adding lubricant to the mounting points to slide out of the hangers helps to speed up the removal. And then an exhaust hanger removal tool is definitely recommended but not needed, as we did here. With the hardware and hangers released, the OEM axleback comes off as one complete section, so make sure you either have a friend or something like a transmission jack to be able to get it down without possibly dropping it and denting your OEM muffler. Make sure to take the OEM ring seal with you and keep it with your stock muffler. Now the MBRP install begins and starts at the center Y pipe with the provided gasket. Lay the gasket onto the face of the mid-pipe connection point and using the factory hardware, loosely install the Y pipe onto the mid-pipe, making sure the longer side is oriented towards the passenger side of the car. Next, slide on each end of the dual exit angled pipes with the provided clamps in place and slide the mounting points into the rubber hangers. At this stage, keep everything loose to allow for proper adjustment and alignment before we lock in the placement and tighten everything up. The tip configuration I chose features an inner sleeve of mirror polished T304 stainless steel wrapped in a matte carbon fiber outer sleeve that fills the 86's cutouts perfectly, giving it a race-inspired look while still being built to last. Thanks to that T304 construction and mandrel bends throughout the tubing, MBRP claims a 26% increase in exhaust flow and to save around 7 pounds of total weight. And simple as that, the MBRP axleback for the GR86 is already on and ready to go. So let's check out what it sounds like for the first time. So after about a week of driving around with the exhaust on highways, back roads, and normal commute traffic, I can confidently say I really like the setup. It delivers a clear, loud, and strong exhaust note with the bass turned up, and it responds really well to your driving style. If you want to keep things more tame, it adds that extra bit of presence without being overly aggressive, but when you start driving it a little harder, it really comes alive and puts a smile on your face every time. On downshifts, especially when rev matching, there's plenty of burbles, pops, and cracks. It happens pretty consistently, which makes the car feel more engaging to drive for sure. There is a little bit of drone in certain RPM ranges, but it's minor, not really bothersome, and never really felt intrusive, even during long drives or highway cruising. Overall, this just feels like one of those mods that just works. It's easy to install and is totally suitable for daily driving on the GR86 or BRZ. And with that, a complete bang for your buck. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and comment down below if you'd like to see more videos like this modifying my GR86. See ya.